Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to do an experiment. If you're watching my video first time, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. These are the things we need. We need a plastic bottle, baking soda, vinegar and a balloon. I'm going to pour the vinegar till this mark. Now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of baking soda in this balloon. Keep the balloon top of the bottle. Put the baking soda into the vinegar. Wow, it's becoming big. Now in this balloon is full of carbon dioxide.